Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add phone number on RedNote app. So first, open the RedNote app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account by opening the RedNote app. On the home page, in the upper left corner of the screen, you can see three lines that you will click on. Then on the next page in the drop-down menu, go down to the settings option in the lower left corner of the screen and click on it. By clicking on the settings option, a new page will open where you will also find the option account security in the drop down menu, and then click on it. The app will open the next page where you will find the mobile option and click on it. This is where the magic happens. As you can see for yourself, you need to enter your phone number in the empty field and then in the next code that you'll receive via text message. Once you have filled in all the fields and received the code, all that remains is to click on the OK option, and that's it. You have successfully added your phone number to the RedNote app. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.